Okay guys, welcome back to the F40 Ferrari build. Hope you all had a good weekend. Now, we're on to issue 3 now, which in this issue you get a tyre. So that's a front tyre apparently, so you'll be getting that in this issue. Now also, I already did a video on this on issue 3, but apparently I ended up wiping it accidentally, so I had already put it together. So I'm going to explain a few things, and it's probably better in this way. So also in issue 3, if I can grab my tongs here, my tweezers, sorry. Also in issue 3, you also get the black spoiler, which is carbon fibre, and also you get 2 tie rods, and also you get the eyelet, and you get type A screws by 5. Now, explain this a little bit better. So the eyelet I've already put in and goes there. I'll try and turn that around so you can see it. There it is there. So that there is the eyelet. You only get one to put in, so that goes in there. So what I did was put that in. I actually glued that in, so that had to be glued in. I was a little bit concerned of it just pushing in, and later on it may just pop out. So now that is done. Then it told me to put on the tie rods here. I might turn that around so you get a bit, yep. So you get a bit of the 2 tyre rods. It told me to put them on next. I didn't do that. I put the spoiler, the front spoiler, on first. Didn't put it on tight. Just put it on sort of like comfy, where you can still move that a little bit, and then put in the tie rods. And then while I was hiding the tie rod in, then I was screwing from underneath while I'm holding the tie rod, which I'll turn that around, and I was putting the screws in, because if I had put the tie rods in first, if I'd put these in first, I guarantee you, next stage of putting this on, these tie rods would have just flinged out. So it was best off to put this on first, then hold the tie rods in there while you've still got this loose, then you tighten it up, and then that actually, the tie rod actually tightens up as you tighten the spoiler in there. So that's what I did with that, and that is issue 3 done, which is looking pretty good. Now I've measured the just put that there for you. I just measured the distance between here to here, and the distance between there, just give you some idea on how big this scale is, 240 millimeters wide. So that's quite a wide vehicle, and I think in length it's 56 centimeters in length. So it's a pretty big model. But that's I suppose I better tell you what we've got coming in issue 4. Now in issue 4 we're gonna have in issue 4 a front rim and a hub, and we're gonna have ring nuts and type B screws by 4. So that's coming in issue 4, so I'm guessing that's where this guy's going to come in handy. But that's just about it. And I do want to give a mention to thank you for those subscribers that are subscribing. I do appreciate that. If I get enough subscribers going, what I'm going to do is probably perhaps start a little bit of a prize thing going on, where I may give away a model, or sort of like a Metro Hobbies gift voucher or something like that, if I get enough subscribers. So I do appreciate the subscribers and the viewers in particular. Thank you very much for that. So Until issue 4, thank you. See you next time.